Meaning of Dolby.
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 Dolby. Dolby is a brand that specializes in audio technology. The company was founded in the 1960s and has since developed various technologies for improving sound quality in different settings. Dolby's noise reduction technology reduces unwanted background noise, resulting in clearer audio quality. Its surround sound technology creates a more immersive audio experience by placing sounds in specific locations around the listener. Dolby also offers cinematic sound systems that provide high-quality audio in movie theaters. Overall, Dolby's technology enhances the audio experience for consumers across different platforms, including music, film, television, gaming, and virtual reality.